Hello friends, this is Bindu Kumar here. Let's solve this question together. The 17th term of an arithmetic progression exceeds its 10th term by 7. Find the common difference. So what they're saying is that in an arithmetic progression, the 17th term is more than the 10th term by the value of 7. So given this information, we have to find what is the common difference. So let's first write down what we can understand from this question. So we have a of 17, which is the 17th term. We have a of 10, which is the 10th term. So they have not given us the value for this. However, what they are saying is a of 17 equals a of 10 plus 7. Because if you see the question, they say the 17th term exceeds its 10th term by 7. Okay, now let's use this information to solve this question. Now before doing that, we will first write down what is the formula for an arithmetic progression. So a set of numbers a1, a2, a3 are said to be in arithmetic progression if they are of the form a plus d, a plus 2d, and so on, where d is the common difference which can be calculated as a of n plus 1 minus a of n. For example, d equals a3 minus a2. D also equals a2 minus a1. There is one other formula which can be used to calculate the nth term, which is a of n equals a plus n minus 1 into d. If you look at the question, they have given us something about a of 17 and a of 10. So we can use the last formula here to try and solve this problem. So let's do that. First, we will write down the formula for a of 10. So a of 10 equals a plus n minus 1 into d. Now we do not know the value of a10, so we will write it as is equals, we do not know the value of a, plus the value of n is 10 here, minus 1 into d. Now let's simplify this further. We get a of 10 equals a plus 9d. This cannot be simplified any further, so we will stop it here. Similarly, let us also write the equation for the 17th term. So a of 17 equals a plus n minus 1 into d. We do not know the value of a of 17, so we will write it as is equals a, which is also unknown, plus n is 17 minus 1 into d. So a of 17 equals a plus 16d. Now this cannot be solved any further also, so we will stop here. Now if you look here, we have two possible values for a17. Here we found out a17 equal to a plus 16d, and here from the question we have a17 equal to a10 plus 7. So let's write this equation also. So we have a17 equals a of 10 plus 7. Now if you look closely, these two equations are of the form a equals b and also a equals c. So given a equal to b and a equal to c, we can write b equal to c. So using this theory, we can write a new equation which is a plus 16d equals a10 plus 7. So I'm taking the formula from here and here. Now we have the value of A10 as A plus 9D. So we can do that substitution here. A plus 16D equals A plus 9D plus 7. A plus 16D equals A plus 9D plus 7 after removing the brackets. So now what we will do is we will keep all A's on one side. Let's see what happens to the equation. So I'll write A plus 16D equals A plus 9D plus 7. We will keep only the A's on the left hand side and remove the ones on the right hand side. So if I want to remove this A on the right hand side, since it is plus A, I will do a minus A here. But since this is an equation, whatever I do on the right hand side, I should repeat on the left hand side also. So when I do this, plus A and minus A cancel out each other. On the left hand side of the equation also, plus A and minus A cancel out each other. So we are left with 16D equals 9D plus 7. Now here similarly, since we have only D as the variable, everything else is a constant number, I will try to remove all the constant numbers from the left hand side. Okay, so I'll write 16D equals 9D plus 7 minus 7. Now whatever I do on the left hand side, I'll repeat on the right hand side also. Okay, so plus 7 and minus 7 cancel out each other. We have 16D minus 7 equal to 9D. Or actually, I think there is a small mistake here. Let me erase this. What we will do is, let us move all the D's on one side. Okay, so I'll have 16D here. I have 9D plus 7. To remove 9D, I will add a minus 9D, and I will repeat that on the left hand side of the equation also to balance the equation. So plus 9D and minus 9D cancel out each other. We have 16D minus 9D equals 7. There's a small mistake here. Again, it is not 169, it is 16D. Okay, now 16 minus 9 is, we get 7D equals 7. Again, continuing the sum here, 7D equals 7. I just want to find the value of D, so I'll divide by 7. Whatever I do on the left side, I'll do on the right side also. So 7 divided by 7 equals 1 and 7 divided by 7 equals 1. So we get the answer D equals 1. So the common difference in this arithmetic progression is 1. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you find it useful. Remember to like, subscribe and click on the bell button to get notified of new videos.